My name is Matt Margiotta. I'm the sales manager here at Otis Ford. I've been here just over a year and a half. Here at Otis Ford, we could service businesses, you personally, and then we also have a great service department as well. They service big commercial vehicles, trucks, buses, you name it. We've got a body shop. We've got a rental car department. A lot of people during the summer like to rent vehicles. I mean, we've got it all here at Otis Ford. It's the best place to do business when it comes to buying a car and servicing a car. There's no games, no gimmicks. You're going to be dealt like a human being and not a number. You've got a combined experience of over 150 years with the salesman we've got. So I think dealing with that professional from start to finish is what our customers expect. My name is Matt.